In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo watermark in Lumen5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your brand's logo on your video so it appears consistently across every scene, helping protect your content and reinforce brand recognition without distracting from the visuals. First, log into Lumen5. Open it in your browser, sign in with your account, and give the dashboard a moment to load. Branding tools live inside the editor, so you want to be working within a specific project rather than just browsing templates. If your plan includes branding features, you'll have everything you need right where we're heading. Next, open your project in the editor. Select the video you want to brand and wait for the editing workspace to appear. You'll see the canvas in the center showing your current scene, a timeline or scene list, and a vertical menu along the left side. That left panel is your control hub for visual styling, which is where the watermark setting lives. Now click on Style in the left side panel. Style is where Lumen5 groups your visual identity options, such as colors, fonts, and themes, along with branding controls. Opening this area keeps everything you need in one place, so you can tune the look of your video consistently. Under the branding section, toggle on Watermark. The moment you switch it on, the preview should update to show your logo placed on the video. Lumen5 typically pulls this from your brand settings, so you don't have to hunt around once your logo is already set up. The watermark usually appears in a corner and stays visible across all scenes, providing a uniform, professional touch. Take a moment to review the preview as you scrub through a few scenes. You want your watermark to be visible but not overpowering. A clean, high-contrast logo on a transparent background tends to look best, especially on footage with mixed light and dark areas. Keep an eye on subtitles or lower third text so the watermark doesn't compete with important information in your frame. If you see anything that looks crowded, consider leaving some safe space around the edges of your visuals when planning your layouts. That's it, you've turned on the watermark and confirmed it's showing where and how you expect. Lumen5 typically autosaves styling changes, so you can continue editing your content with confidence, knowing your logo is riding along on every scene. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating polished, on-brand videos in Lumen5.